I have probably missed out on so many good beers because I was only sipping them. I used to hate beer, like totally big time, hate beer. I was a rum guy, beer's just nasty. But over the years, I've been trying to just get more into appreciating different food, different drinks. And so whenever I go out, try to order, like a beer flight. And usually I would just kind of sip, like it, sip, nah, don't like it, and just make my judgments based on that. So a few months ago, I was out for dinner, and again, I got my flight, trying to do sippings of beers, and all of a sudden we had to go, like we had to rush out. So, I'm not gonna waste any beer, so I kind of just took all the different beers from my flight, and I just went boom, 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 boom. And I realized that like some of the beers that I didn't prefer, I actually liked. Some of the flavors came after that first just sip. As it washed over my tongue, it kind of gave like a new type of flavor. So your tongue has all these different sensors that detect different flavors and tastes. And when you only taste the beer with the tip of your tongue, you're really missing out on the fullness of what the beer flavor has to offer. So if you're having trouble getting into beer and you think all beer kind of tastes the same, I would highly encourage you to try this tip by trying beer not as a sip, but more as a gulp. And if you try this technique, leave a comment. I want to be really open through this channel because we're all learning, and there is no one best beer of all time. But there are beers that I feel like have been underappreciated because we might not be drinking it properly.